Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the Fragment data transfer in Kotlin Android. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity and two fragments 1 and 2. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the main activities layout. Two fragment layouts. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have a constraint layout that we will use as a container to load the fragments. The ID of this layout is the container. In the fragment_1.xml file, we have a button, go to the second fragment. And in the fragment_2.xml file, we have a text view, second fragment. Let's see the Kotlin code now. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, we call the load_first_fragment function. This is the load_first_fragment function where we load the first fragment into the fragment container. These are the imports. This is the first fragment. In the onCreate_view function, when the button is clicked, we call the go_to_second_fragment function. This is the go_to_second_fragment function. This is how we go to the second fragment. Here, first, we put some data in a bundle and pass that bundle to the second fragment. These are the imports. This is the second fragment. In the onCreate_view function, this is how to retrieve the data sent from the first fragment. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement the Fragment data transfer in Kotlin Android. Thank you.